Hello my friend and fellow YouTubers, this is Fernando from my childhood collectibles, and today we have a PSA reveal. These are some of the cards that I submitted in, I believe, February or January promotion. I really don't remember, but they just came to me, and well, you will see essentially cards from Ohtani, Valenzuela, Ichiro, and probably several of TJ Watt. So let's see, what do we have here? 6. Jesus, really? Wow. I don't expect that. This means that the car is something wrong, like, well, anyway, it's a very, very bad, oh, okay, let me take a break. Let's see, TG Watt, a 9, okay, good, this is rookie year. 9. I hope so. PSA open again the set register submission, and I can include this card of TG1. Okay, what is next? Ohtani. Boom! Boom! Yay! Woohoo! Unfortunately, it's not the rookie year, but yeah, anyway. Ohtani 10, 2020 bomb and best. Beautiful card. Okay, it's better. It's better. What do we have here? This is probably for my complete set Steelers. 10, lovely John Samuels, beautiful. Okay, I don't expect too much in this one. This is, if I remember well, for my Virginia Tech set. Marcus Davis, 9. Alright, 9 is perfect. 9 is great. What else? Another TJ Watt. And 9. Another card from rookie year. If I remember well. Yes, you have the shell there. It's a rookie card. Okay, another Ohtani. Show me. Boom! 10! 2019 Top Skull Level Classic 1 Black. Nice! Ichiro, future Hall of Famer. Hey, boo. Alright, it's okay. It's okay. It's beautiful card. Anyway, these cards are for my collection. It's not that I will be selling something, okay? And the person responsible that I begin to watch long time ago, baseball. Fernando Valenzuela, Fernando Mania. We have a 9 upper deck. Yes, sir. Oh, wow. 1993 upper deck, Fernando Valenzuela. And the last card. This is TJ Watt and Mika Fitzpatrick. I don't expect too much on this because it's a very thin card. So let's see. 7. That's what I expected. A 7. Actually, no. I submitted someone long time ago and was a 5. So I don't expect too much in this one. So yeah, essentially my only disappointed is this one. I really don't know what happened. 6 is like something is wrong in the card, so I really need to review this. Anyway, guys, I hope so you like it. Most of them I'm really happy with my grades, 9, 10s. Remember, explore, discover, and collect. If you like, thumbs up, and see you soon. Bye.